Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked is set for July 9, 2025, and it's packed with next-gen tech, Z Fold 7, AI tools, and more. Ready for the reveal? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2025 hype. Tipster Evan Blass dropped a bombshell on X. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked is slated for July 9, 2025. Rumors point to New York as the venue. Samsung's hyping its next-gen foldables, and the buzz is unreal. The stars of the show? Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The Z Fold 7 boasts advanced AI tools and beefed-up privacy features, making it Samsung's thinnest, lightest foldable yet. The Z Flip 7 might rock the Exynos 2500 chip, while the Z Fold 7 could use the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Plus, a budget-friendly Z Flip 7 FE is rumored. Samsung's not stopping there. Expect the Galaxy Watch 8 series, Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch 2 Ultra. Audio fans, get ready for Galaxy Buds Core and Buds 3 FE, perfect for immersive sound on a budget. These wearables are set to steal the spotlight. Here's the wild card. Samsung might tease Project Moohan, its first XR headset, and a groundbreaking tri-fold phone. These could redefine how we interact with tech, and X users are already hyped for a sneak peek. With One UI 8 and cutting-edge AI, Samsung's Unpacked 2025 could set the bar for foldables and wearables. X posts are buzzing, with fans calling the Z Fold 7 a game-changer. This event might reshape the tech landscape. What's your most anticipated Unpacked reveal? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.